Aysia also would have been able to testify to this illegal relationship. She's saying that she didn't know Celeste's age. That's what she said publicly. But she would also be able to testify about the relationship between David and Celeste. She would be able to say whether that she was at the mansion or not. She would be able to confirm how David met Celeste, perhaps, if he ever shared with her. She would be able to talk about how frequently Celeste came to the mansion and where was she staying to Aysia's best knowledge. Did Aysia know about the Doheny property? I mean, David did film there with Celeste a couple of times. Let's look at the house where Neo was staying. So this is the house. This is you can see that I told you guys they had money where he was staying in Montana. That's the kitchen looking over the dining room. So this is where he was staying. This is the house his mom bought in March of 2025. Looks like a nice house. So these would have been furnished prior to them moving in, just to give you an idea of the house where Neo was staying when he got arrested. All right, so let's go through this. So this is David. He says he lost his wedding ring. I'll go through the comments. So that's basically what he says. Situation important. The fact that he found a wedding ring in a parking lot and didn't try to return it and acted like a baby when he lost it says a lot. Now we've seen pictures of Celeste with the Shhh on her finger and the David on her finger wearing a engagement ring. So I just wonder what kind of promises he did make. B2C says there was a video where David found a wedding ring in the street and he kept basically saying if he didn't keep it, someone else would find it and do the same thing. I have a feeling that this wedding ring being referred to here. Bluchi says, honestly, that could have been a cover-up as to why he wears a wedding ring and basically saying if he didn't keep it, somebody else would find it and do the same. I have a feeling this wedding ring was being referred to here. I'm just wondering if he and Celeste got rings. He was making promises to her. Jay Blur says, oh, wait, you were talking about those grills. Thought you were put grills on fake teeth, but actually look at the teeth. You could see they're whitened and his teeth maybe don't look bad in the first picture. I don't know. Braces can work that fast. Doesn't have braces in any video. Probably because he has a lot of money. He might have just put that on just because he thought it was cool. I think that he was making promises to Celeste, in my opinion, allegedly.